What are the top 3 plugins used in ChatGPT? Hello everyone, I'm Savin from Create, Login and Delete, and without further ado, let's jump into our topic. So plugins are the third-party applications. Those are not controlled by OpenAI but are extracted by OpenAI. Plugins connect ChatGPT to external applications. ChatGPT automatically uses plugins during a conversation depending on the plugins you're enabled to. Some are just limited to only an amount of features, while some of the plugins are just awesome. After trying out most of the plugins, I think the most practical plugins are Wolfram, Kayak, and Instacart. So what Wolfram allows you to do is that it can access maths and curated knowledge and the real time from its own application. The same with Kayak. Kayak is actually used when traveling. It's really awesome plugin, so you can really try that out. This is Kayak, right? The one with the K logo on it. And you can even search for flights, you can search for stays, rental cars. And the next one's Instacart. You can ask about recipes, discover the ingredients that you need, make some delicious food using it, right? So plugins can actually access a lot of things, wide knowledge, and they can even be used to arrange your plans. What you need to do to access plugins, or just go to ChatGPT right here, and then you find like a plugin section right here, click on it. And right here you can see the available plugins. Click on it, slide down, go to plugin store, and just search from all plugins. There are like 9 pages of plugins with 8 of the plugins in each page. So it's pretty cool. And you can optimize these resources, these plugins, to the maximum. And this will really help you out. So those were the top 3 plugins that I like the most, and I think which are the most practical ones as well. So hopefully I was able to help you out. Hopefully you found this video informative. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.